Returning an item you've purchased on Amazon is easy peasy. Here's how to return Amazon item. Let's do it. Head over to Amazon.com and click on the Returns and Orders button. This will take you to your orders page where you can view items you've recently purchased. Remember, most items can be returned within 30 days of purchase. For items sold through an Amazon seller, click on the Submit Return Request button. The seller will review your request before issuing a refund or replacement. To begin the return process, click on the Return or Replace Items button next to the order you want to return. You'll then be asked to choose which item you want to return from a list of eligible items. Once you've made your selection, you'll be asked to choose a reason for the refund. Click Continue when you're done. Next, select whether you want a refund or a replacement. Then choose how you'd like your money refunded, either sent to the card you used for purchase or as Amazon credit. Now, it's time to choose how you want to return the item. You can opt for drop-off locations, where you select from several nearby drop-off spots like your local Amazon store, Kohl's, or UPS. Alternatively, you can select the UPS pickup return method and schedule a pickup time for your return. If you choose the drop-off option, a QR code will be sent to your email. Simply bring the item to the selected drop-off location and present your QR code along with the item. No need to pack or print a return label. The refund process will begin the moment your QR code is scanned. With the UPS pickup return method, you'll need to package the item and a UPS delivery person will bring the label for the package. Once the item is scanned by UPS, your return will begin processing. So, there you have it. A hassle-free guide to returning items on Amazon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Reviews Done.